everybody, it is me Yasmin, and today's video is a fake video. It's the worst slime package ever. So I hope you don't comment and say anything rude, because it's just fake and I just want to do a video because I have not do a video for so long, so I want to do a random video. So I hope that's the video, and if you do, smash the like button, and if you want to see if you want to see a video, I can't speak. Well, if you want to see a video like this, subscribe. And yeah, let's go. Show no more video. Okay, I didn't even post that, but anyway, what's right with it? Today's video is a package. As you can see this. So I don't remember ordering this from anyone, but I think it was 2 months ago. Well, I think, but yes. So let's open it up. Oh, I got a pin. Okay, let's go. I don't open it up. Let's see. First, I think the note. Okay, let's open it up. Let me read it for you guys. Thank you for the slime. Love hot, no refunds. One giant, and this is a receipt too. One giant blue slime, $10. One butter slime, $10. So that was all $10. And 3 extras. Oh, I'm so excited for that. Let's go to extras. Whoa, look at this. Basically, I already had this, but I could give it to you guys. Maybe. Or I can give it to my friends. Let's teleporter. Basically, there's an instructions inside, and you just fold this in half like this. I'm just gonna do it a little bit fast because it's running too fast. Basically, it's gonna take too long to make. No, that's okay. I thought I was wrong. So you put your eyeball here. You put your phone here. So you put your phone here and then close it up, and then you teleport. I think I haven't done that. I haven't tried that before, but I don't know. But I don't care. So that's a pretty nice one. Okay, I'll just read it to you first. So it's here. Fold it. Okay. So here, fold it. Flip it. And slot and teleport. Oh, put your phone in there, not like this. I don't know what that say. Yeah, slot, I guess. No, slot. Whatever, who cares? Okay, now the other extras. This is an extra. I think this is an extra. This is a Pokemon card. I love Pokemon cards. Oh, basically I already have this, but this is ripped. That right there is tape. You guys see that? But it's Mewtwo EX and Solgaleo GX from Sun and Moon. Now let's go. We have 2 slimes I ordered. It was one giant blue slime, $10, and one butter slime, $10. So it equals $20. So yeah. This is an extra. I think this is an extra, cause I don't know. Well, this is Gawk. This is $5 from Kmart in Australia, but what is this? Is this I don't see anything. This is just a butter slime, and it's nothing right now. It's not. Okay, that's dumb. Well, that was $10, but it's 2, I guess. No, it's not 2. Let me just stretch it. It's have to be really stretchy. Oh, look at that. It's actually stretchy. But just look at this. I'm really disappointed and embarrassed because this was $10 and this is giant. Well, basically, I was gonna say I'm excited for the blue one, but no. It doesn't even poke. Look, it doesn't even poke. That's such really good. This is, oh my gosh, this is so dumb. How would you edit? Oh my gosh, not good. And one butter slime, it equals $10. You guys see that? Wait, what? 10% and one butter slime. You guys see that? Okay, whatever. Okay, but this is it. So this what? Yeah, she bought it from Kohl's, or someone. That person bought it from Kohl's. Maybe it's a her. Maybe it's a her. Okay. Oh, this butter slime is so cool. It's not worth it at all, but it's $10. This is definitely not worth it. This is definitely not worth it. I don't know why. Maybe I got scammed, but yeah, that's real weird. I hate this. Okay. Basically, I might contact her if I still have her number. I think I have, no, or him. I don't know, but I think I don't, because I don't know her. And I don't not remember that I ordered just some slimes, but I kind of remember. Like probably like 4 months ago, and I was like, I forgot it. But I don't know which, like, is it like Instagram, like online? But I'm pretty sure not online, or maybe online, because like they don't have Pokemon cards, extra Pokemon cards, and extra teleporter, and extra pen. No, I'm sure that's not a pen. But this one, okay. So this right here is the slime. Oh. I'm not even poking it. Okay, whatever. Alright, I guess it's not bad. This is definitely not bad. But let's see if it's actually like stretchy. Whoa, it's actually really stretchy. So, yeah, I hope you liked this video. And, yeah, I'm disappointed. But that's alright. It's not bad at all. But still, this doll is from Elsa and Anna. I don't know, Frozen. Like, are you serious? This note is like the weirdest note ever. Like I don't know why. Okay, note. Well, she didn't even know that. But that is okay for today, because it's spoof. It's fake. So I do not want haters. It's you guys got pranked. No, basically I said it in the beginning, in the start. So yeah, and I hope you guys do. And I'll see you guys. And I'll see you all next time. And peace.